Hi, it's Jules from the Beauty School, and I'm here to do your unboxing for the Certificate in Eyelash Extensions Kit. Let's jump right into it. So as you can see, your kit will come in this box. Once you open the box, you'll see the QR code right here, and it will take you to our website for more information. So first things first, you'll receive this welcome card with a checklist on the back. Once you receive your kit, please check the items against this checklist to make sure nothing is missing or damaged. If you find that anything is missing or damaged, please make sure to let us know within 2 weeks of receiving your kit. So as you can see, your kit will come in this beautiful bag which you can take anywhere. Firstly, you'll get this important product information, some under-eye gel pads, some lash adhesive stickers, some micro tape, a bag strap, some eyelash glue sensitive, some eyelash glue remover, foaming cleanser, glue storage container, a thermometer hydrometer, an eyelash fan, a lash tile, classic lashes in 0.15C and 0.15D, volume lashes in 0.03D and 0.07C, fast and easy fan lashes in 0.07D and 0.07C, a quartz stone, some training lashes, a mannequin head with spare eyelids. And inside this compartment, we have some tweezers and scissors, some eyelash primer, some soft applicators, some mascara wands, and lastly, some micro brushes. And that's everything in our eyelash extensions kit. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please let us know below what you'd like to see next.